If you want to install apps from unknown sources on POCO F8 Ultra, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings. Next, in Settings, scroll down a little bit, and if you have Security and Privacy, then you want to open them. Scroll down to go to More Security and Privacy, and then in here we need to find the Special Permissions option. In my case, it is over here at the top. And then you can find Install Unknown Apps. You can see the list of different apps that can potentially install other apps. So for example, let's say you used the Chrome browser in order to download an app. In that case, you want to go to the Chrome app and you want to allow Chrome to install apps from unknown sources. We need to enable the switcher. So then you go back to the Chrome app and you can install an app using the Chrome app. And that is pretty much it. However, there's one more thing that I have to mention. There is a chance that you will not have security and privacy. So if that's the case, then what you might need to do is in Settings, you will have to go to Privacy Protection. And then in Privacy Protection, you will find Special Permissions, and the rest is pretty much the same. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.